Hello everyone, you are on the Mr. Octopus channel. Today you will find out how to get Afterpay for your business. Let's go. Open Afterpay web. For retailers. Get started. Enter your email. Enter name, country, category, phone number, business name, website, next. Follow the instructions. If you use Square, go to Account and Settings. Click Business Information, Payment Methods. Select Afterpay. Turn on online or in person. Now you know how to get Afterpay for your business. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.